How to draw Gwen Stacy. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Today we are going to start by drawing Gwen Stacy's head. We are going to draw the right outline of her face by drawing a curved line that's going in the direction of a backward C shape. Then from the bottom of that, we are going to bring that curved line up to the left a little bit for the bottom part of her face. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! That is all we are going to draw for the outline of her face. Next, we are going to draw her hood. For this, we are going to start at the top of the outline we drew for her face and draw a diagonal line going down and to the left. At the top of this diagonal line, above the outline of her face, there is going to be a slight curve. Then we are going to draw a straight line going down from that connects to the outline of her face and then curves right below her chin. Looks good so far, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to draw the front outline of Gwen Stacy's body. For this, we are going to continue where we left off by drawing a slightly curved line that goes diagonal, that then straightens out and ends up going straight towards the bottom of the page at the end. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we are going to finish drawing her hood. First, we are going to draw the part of her hood that looks like it's behind her head, and then we are going to draw the top part of her hood around her head. So first, we are going to pick up where we left off at the top of that diagonal line that is connected to her face. Then we are going to draw a curved line that goes right here around her face, connecting to the front part of her body. Nice job! Now we are going to draw the top part of her hood. We are going to start where we started for the bottom part of her hood, but now we are going to draw a curved line that goes up and around just like this. Then to finish drawing the hood, we are going to continue that line going to the right and connect it to right here where the front of the hood is. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! We're all done drawing the hood. Next, we are going to draw the outline of her arm on the left side of her body. For this, we are going to draw a line that goes downwards, starting from her hood, right here. This line is going to start near the bottom of the hood and then go out to the left a little bit for the shoulder and then go downwards. This is what her shoulder will look like, and then we are going to draw a straight line going downwards for the rest of her arm. Then we are going to have to draw a line a little bit to the right of the one that we just drew for the inside outline of her arm. This is going to separate her arm from her body. For detail to Gwen Stacy's outfit, we are going to draw two small diagonal lines going outwards from the bottom of this line, right here and here. Looking great so far, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! We're almost finished drawing Gwen Stacy, just a few more steps and then some details that we will add to the inside of her hood. Next, we are going to draw a long curved line for detail in our outfit going right here. then from the top of that line, we are going to draw a diagonal line going down and to the right that will end here. Awesome! Now we are going to draw Gwen Stacy's eyes. For these, we are going to draw two curved lines that come to a point near the middle of her face. We are going to start with her left eye, so we are going to draw two curved lines coming to a point in the middle of her face from that diagonal line of her hood. Now we are going to draw another curved line similar to this one below it that curves upwards. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw her other eye. Her other eye is going to be very similar to the one we just drew, but it is going to look much smaller because we are only going to be able to see the inner part of her eye since her head looks like it is tilted in this drawing. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to finish her eyes by outlining each one. If you do not have enough room to outline them, then you can draw a line on the inside of the eyes instead. Looks great to Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to do the same thing for the other eye, and then we are going to be on the final step of drawing Gwen Stacy. For the last step of drawing Gwen Stacy, we are going to draw spiderweb drawing details on the inside of her hood and to the small triangle on her arm right here and here. For the detail inside the small triangle on her arm, we are going to draw a plus sign. For the detail inside of the hood, we are going to start at the bottom and draw small curved lines going upwards all the way to the top of the inside of the hood where it's skinny near the top of her head. Then we are going to draw straight lines going across from her face to the outside of her hood, everywhere where one of those curved lines makes a point, similar to right here. We are going to do this all the way up the inside of her hood and then draw one at the very bottom where the first curved line starts as well. This is how to draw Gwen Stacy. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.